How to share any music or sound from SoundCloud to your Facebook story directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any music or sound from SoundCloud to your Facebook story directly, easy and fast. First thing, go to SoundCloud and here you will find the homepage. Now choose a music. Okay, I choose this one. Now click on those three dots here down below and you will find the stories option right here. After you click on it, it will take you directly to your Facebook stories option. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe.